guys, what's up? How are you guys doing? Happy New Year. Oh my gosh, I'm so excited to have what I'm having today for lunch. I made some baked scallops. I love scallops and I've never made baked scallops, so I decided to make it today. It has garlic, shallots, wine. Now the recipe doesn't say wine in it, but I did add wine in mine. Let's see what else. Chicken stock, butter. It's very simple, but it smells and looks so good. I can't wait to try it. Alright, so I'm going to give you a closer look. And I got a big bag of scallops from Costco for only $35. That is really good because you can go to a restaurant and pay like for 4 scallops for like $25. You know, we all know that. Alright guys, before I get started, if you like this video, please give me a thumbs up, like, subscribe, share, and comment. Alright, you know what time it is, right? Time to eat. Alright, let's try these scallops. Alright, I'm going to pick it up and just show it to you a little closer, okay? Here it is, guys. Cheers. Take a bite. Take a bite. Alright. Ooh, it's perfectly cooked too. Look at that. Alright. Cheers. So good. I'm not exaggerating. It's so good. And it's cooked perfectly. Oh my gosh. I'm proud of myself. Okay. So, I made a video on how I made it. So please check it out. I'll put the recipe on there in the description. I have some pasta here. This is so good. You can taste the freshness of the flavors. The wine, parsley, the garlic, shallots. Oh my gosh. I'm gonna squeeze a little bit of lime and lemon on one. See what that tastes like. Bring out the flavors even more. Alright. Here we go. Give you guys a closer look, okay? This is delicious. I'm gonna eat it very slowly so I can savor every flavor. Because really I just want to gobble up because I'm really hungry right now. So how's your new year going? Are you guys doing anything new for the new year? My pasta's kind of dry. I should have added some olive oil in there. You know what? I'm going to put it here. Get all that flavor. Alright. You know, so for this new year, I'm going to take some boxing lessons. What do you think? I always wanted to do this last year, and I'm like, you know what? I ain't getting any younger. I'm going to do it. What do y'all think? I think with the lime, I'm sorry, with the lemon flavor, lemon juice. Brings out all the flavors. It just mingles everything together. So good. I was afraid I was going to overcook these scallops. And the breadcrumbs on top of it, yo, does it. I didn't get the plain breadcrumbs. I got the flavor one. So if you want more flavor, just, you know, get the cheese breadcrumbs instead of the plain ones. So good. More pasta. But yeah, I was thinking about taking boxing lessons this year, which I will. I'm excited for that. I think that would I want to get really fit this year. I want to get really toned. So I think that will really help. And plus, you know, I'll learn some self-defense techniques, right? What do you think about my backdrop? It's a New Year theme. I'm also in a different area of my home. I don't know if this lighting is great though. I'll have to switch back to the same spot I had it before. More pasta. Guys, I honestly wish you can try this. This is so good. I am not exaggerating. I'm pretty honest with my food. If it's not that good, I'll be like, it's good. It's good. I think on my next video, I might make stir-fry scallops. There's a recipe that my sister gave me. Ooh. It's so good. She made it when I went home. It's so good. It's Asian style. It's like oyster sauce, sugar, rice cooking oil, sesame oil. I mean, the flavor was just so good. I don't know how to explain it to you. You gotta try it. Okay, I am gonna finish this for sure. No leftovers tonight. So good. I think even though the recipe doesn't call for wine, I added white wine in it. I think that made it kind of bumped up the flavor, you know. Try it. I'm making a mess over here. I have some sparkling juice. Cheers. Oh. Some more pasta. So good, guys. Make sure you check out the video on how I made it. And add wine in there. Add a fourth of a cup of wine in it. You won't be disappointed. Alright, last bite. So good. I'm not even lying. It's so good. Delicious. Well, guys, that is all for now. Hope to see you all next time. Have a great day. Happy New Year. I will see you all later. Bye.